Countertop dishwashers are perfect for those with limited kitchen space, offering the convenience of a full-sized model in a compact form. Ideal for apartments, dorms, and RVs, they ensure you can enjoy clean dishes without requiring much space. After extensive research, we've identified the best countertop dishwashers for your needs. For more information on each product, check out the links in the description below. So, let's start. The first on our list is the Hava Countertop Dishwasher. This countertop dishwasher stands out in the world of kitchen appliances with its compact design and robust feature set, making it an ideal choice for those with limited space but no compromise on functionality. Its 8 distinct wash cycle options cater to various dishwashing needs, from a quick rinse to a thorough clean with the strong setting. Furthermore, the dry mode is particularly helpful, providing an additional 60 minutes of drying time, coupled with 72-hour ventilated storage that prevents odors and maintains cleanliness. Navigating through your day with the flexibility of an 18-hour delayed start means you can have your dishes ready exactly when you need them, whether that's right after work or first thing in the morning. This feature also allows for energy savings by running the dishwasher during non-peak electricity hours. Safety isn't overlooked either, with a child lock function to prevent unintended use, ensuring peace of mind for families. In terms of capacity, don't let its compact size fool you. The Hava dishwasher can accommodate up to 4 full-place settings and includes a cleverly designed cutlery basket and storage rack. This design maximizes space and efficiency, allowing for the cleaning of larger items and utensils. The standout feature, however, is the 360-degree cleaning capability, powered by 14 water ports on the spray arms, ensuring a thorough wash without blind spots. Concluding, the Hava countertop dishwasher not only saves space, but also significantly reduces water consumption by 80% compared to hand washing, supporting both sustainability and cost-effectiveness. The second on our list is the Chumaste countertop dishwasher. Efficiency meets compact design with the Chumaste dishwasher, tailored for those who prioritize both space-saving and functionality in kitchen appliances. Despite its small stature, measuring only 18 inches in height, it boasts a large capacity that can accommodate an array of items, including 4 bowls, 7 plates, 3 large cups, and even 2 milk bottles, along with 12 tableware pieces. This model stands out with its dual spray arms that deliver high-pressure, high-temperature water jets, ensuring comprehensive cleaning coverage without any blind spots. Additionally, it's equipped to handle not only dishwashing, but also the purification of fruits and vegetables, effectively removing pesticide residues, a significant plus for health-conscious users. One of the Chumaste's notable features is its ultra-fast wash mode, completing cycles in just 29 minutes, ideal for those who need their dishes ready in a flash. The user interface is straightforward, featuring a touchscreen that offers 5 different washing programs, making it simple to find the right setting for any cleaning need. Portability is a key benefit of this dishwasher, as it requires no permanent installation. It supports 2 water supply modes, adding water manually to the built-in 5-liter tank or connecting it directly to a faucet. After each cycle, the built-in hot air drying function activates, not only drying dishes but also preventing odor buildup, thereby doubling as a storage cabinet. In conclusion, the Chumaste dishwasher is not just compact and easy to use, but also incredibly efficient, with a fast cleaning cycle that ensures you won't be waiting long for clean dishes. The third on our list is the Comfy Countertop Dishwasher. The Comfy Countertop Dishwasher is a gem for those living in smaller spaces or requiring a portable solution, such as in dorms, RVs, or compact apartments. It can handle up to 70 pieces of tableware, accommodating plates up to 10 inches in diameter, making it suitable for up to 3 people. This capacity, combined with its slim dimensions, makes it both practical and space efficient. What sets this dishwasher apart is its 8 diverse washing cycles. It offers everything from a heavy program for those daunting, heavily soiled dishes to a delicate glass cycle that takes extra care of your fragile dishware, ensuring crystal clear results without damage. Notably, the speed program is a standout, cleaning dishes in just 45 minutes, perfect for quick turnarounds at gatherings or when time is tight. Another noteworthy feature is the baby care wash cycle, which uses high temperatures to inhibit bacteria growth, ideal for sanitizing baby bottles and children's dinner sets. For those tougher challenges, the power wash option employs a longer washing time and a higher temperature, reaching up to 143 degrees Fahrenheit to tackle heavily soiled kitchenware effectively. Energy efficiency is also a core attribute of the Comfy dishwasher. It is Energy Star compliant and uses as little as 2.77 gallons of water per cycle, significantly cutting down on utility costs. Furthermore, the addition of an extra drying option raises the final rinse temperature and extends the drying time to ensure dishes come out exceptionally dry. In conclusion, the Comfy Countertop Dishwasher is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a multifunctional, efficient, and compact dishwashing solution. The fourth on our list is the Novette Portable Countertop Dishwasher. This portable countertop dishwasher is a compact yet remarkably spacious unit, designed to fit seamlessly into small households, apartments, or even mobile living spaces like RVs. Despite its modest size, this dishwasher accommodates 4 full-place settings and can handle dishes up to 12 inches in diameter when loaded at an angle. This double-layer design maximizes internal space, allowing room for various dish sizes and utensils. A standout feature of the Novette is its versatility in water supply. It offers both a faucet mode and a built-in 5-liter water tank for immediate use without permanent installation. This flexibility is complemented by 5 washing cycles, including a specialized baby care, their heavy mode, that heats water to 167 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring thorough cleaning and sanitation of baby products and heavily soiled tableware. For those who need quick results, the speed wash cycle completes in just 29 minutes and includes automatic air circulation to dry dishes fast, making them ready for immediate use. Additionally, the dishwasher is equipped with a fruit mode, utilizing the included basket to clean fruits and vegetables effectively, allowing them to be served straight from the dishwasher. The machine also features a 3-in-1 function that encompasses washing, drying, and storage. After washing, a 60-minute hot air drying cycle kicks in, followed by 72 hours of automatic ventilation, keeping dishes dry, odor-free, and sanitary. With its easy-to-use LED touch panel, automatic water level indicator, and see-through dual-layer glass door, the Novette dishwasher not only offers practicality, but also a touch of modern convenience, allowing you to monitor the wash cycle at a glance. The last on our list is the Comfy Portable Countertop Dishwasher. With a smart, ultra-compact design, this dishwasher efficiently handles over 30 items at a time, including plates up to 9.5 inches, making it a perfect fit for small houses, apartments, dorms, and even on-the-go environments like boats and RVs. One of the most notable features of this Comfy model is its flexibility in water supply. It can operate entirely independently using its 5-liter built-in water tank, or it can be connected directly to a kitchen faucet with the included hose, eliminating the need for complex installation processes. This makes it ideal for places where modifying plumbing isn't an option. The dishwasher offers 6 versatile wash programs to meet diverse cleaning needs: normal, rapid, steam, fruit, glass, and an extra air refresh drying mode. Each program is designed with specific tasks in mind. For instance, the steam option is perfect for deep cleaning heavily soiled dishes and sanitizing baby items, boosting the rinse water temperature up to 162 degrees Fahrenheit and a maximum of 192 degrees Fahrenheit for high-temperature hygiene. Another impressive feature is the air refresh mode, which circulates air to remove moisture and odor, ensuring that dishes not only come out clean, but also stay fresh and dry over time. This function is particularly beneficial for keeping both the dishes and the interior of the machine in pristine condition. In summary, the comfy portable countertop dishwasher is a standout choice for those seeking a compact, easy-to-install, and highly functional dishwasher. And that concludes our roundup of the best countertop dishwashers. We hope this guide assists you in finding the perfect model for your needs. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews like this. Until next time, take care.